Well, I started on the motorcycle a week ago. Saturday mornings when I started tearing it down, and I had previously ordered my parts, I think on Thursday or Friday, but the parts came in Wednesday, and it is now Saturday, 7 days later after I started. Got it together last night, and this morning everything was ready to go. I was ready to fire it up and have a little surprise. Check this out. Yeah, baby. Hear that? Yeah, yeah. Check it out. There's my baby right there. It is running and feeling good. Hear that? Look at that. Got that baby is purring, baby, purring, yeah! Whew. Praise God. Yes, unbelievably, first time, no re-tear downs and all that stuff. And best part is there's no gray, black smoke coming out the pipes and out the cylinders. So I'm incredibly pleased with that. All right, there's my video diary. Bye bye.